Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD tutorial how to add texture. So in this example, I will use the render engines. You can go to tools, click on add-ons manager, and then you can search for the render. After it, you can install these add-on renders into your FreeCAD. Now, the next you need to install for the POV-Ray. You can go to website www.povray.org, and in here you can click to download the files. Now, the next I will create a parametric part, and we create a simple sketch. I will create the rectangle and use path tools to convert into 3D. Click OK. After it, I will go to part, and then in this option, click part. Now you can go to create copy, and we create a simple copy. But first, you can click the path, go to part, create copy, and then create simple copy. After it, you can right click in body, and we can delete this option. Go to render, you can click in here, render add-ons, and click at these options for POV-Ray projects. And we can use this POV-Ray sunlight POV. Click open. Now we can go to settings, and you can click on render preference, scroll down. You can see the POV-Ray executables. You can insert the POV engines X. So you can click these buttons, and then you can go to POV-Ray person, and then move into bin. After it, you can click POV engine.x. You can click open. It will be applied into your FreeCAD. Click OK. The next, I will select these two objects, and then you can click this option, rendering view. So we have this rendering view, and now I will add for the texture. You can click at this option, click create material. Like as example, I will use this carpet as the example material. Click OK. Now you can right click in this render carpet, go to add texture, click at this option to show the drop down menu. So we have the texture option, click, and this in this data properties we have the image. You can click and search for your texture. So as example, I will use the simple texture. Click open. After it, you can click on render carpet and click at this option. In this material, click edit material render settings. Now in here, you can use base color, use texture, and then search for texture image. Click OK. And then you can select these path models. Click at this option, and then you can click apply material to selection. Okay, we use this option, red carpet, click OK. And to render, you can select these POV-Ray projects and click these icons to render the objects. If you want to change the texture scale, you can select the texture and then go to data. In here, like scale, I will set into 0,2. Now we can render again, clicking these projects and click the render button. So the texture will be automatically rescaled. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD tutorial, how to add a texture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.